Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video I'm going to show you how to add custom watermarks in your Microsoft Word document. So I assume that you already have created your document, you are happy with everything. Now you want to add the watermark. So there are two ways to use watermark. The first one is you can use any image as a watermark or the text. So let's go ahead and see how you can do it. So to add watermark to your Word document, you simply get into design. Remember, this is Microsoft Word 2019 and it's going to be almost same if you have 2013 and above. Microsoft Office 2013 and above, or Microsoft Word 2013 and above. So simply go ahead and get into this design, and then on the right top you'll see it says watermark. You can see these are templates, pre-built watermarks that you can use. But if you are looking for something custom, at the bottom you'll see you have some options here, few options, and you also have custom watermark. So simply go ahead and select it, and then this window appears, printed watermark, and you have two options, basically three options: no watermark, picture watermark, and then text watermark. So if you just need text, you simply go ahead and select it, type in your text, your language from here, your font, and then size from here. Also, if you're looking for some specific color, you can go ahead and select from here: diagonal, horizontal, semi-transparent. So these are a few options. But let's say you're looking for a picture watermark. So I'm going to select a picture by selecting this picture watermark. So go ahead and select from the file, which is computer, Bing, OneDrive, wherever. So let's say I have an image, kind of a logo. So let's say this is what I want. Washout, scale, if you need to minimize it, maximize it, or just put it as auto. Alright, so this is how you add picture watermark. Let me go ahead and apply it and close it. This is how it looks. Now if you want to add, so this is how you remove it. And if you want to add, let's say, text watermark, so you can simply say whatever you have to say, and then first of all you select text watermark, and then the language. Okay, and then the fonts. There are so many fonts you can choose from. So I'm going to go with the default one. Size, you have the size you can select. I'm going to go with auto. The color, I need the color to be like this, green. Diagonal, horizontal. So apply, that's the diagonal. Horizontal, that's horizontal. So yeah, I think horizontal is okay. And this is how you add text watermark, custom text watermarks to your Word document. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below and I will try to answer it ASAP. Thank you. Bye for now.